I just bought some of this. Well, I don't think you're going to tell what that says on the tin, but it's should be liquid electrical tape. Now it's only cost me £3 for 125 millilitres, I think. Don't feel quite full though, but it's a lot cheaper than what the other stuff is that I used to buy, so if this is any good I will buy more of it. So I was going to test it on this. See, a multimeter leads just snap there. I only use these for 12 volt, but a couple of times I picked them up and accidentally used them using live voltages, so I'll just try and make it a bit safer. Alright, so look how good it is. I wonder if it's got a brush in it. Alright, got a brush in it. That's a big old brush. I wasn't expecting a brush that size, but never mind. Well, it looks good, thick. Smells like the other stuff. I'll give that a bit of time to dry, see what it's like. Brush is a bit big, makes a bit of a mess, but if it fixes it, I'm happy with that. I'll leave that to dry and then we'll see later. Something else to do as well. I'm going to do this connection that I don't have to cut it and solder it once. It's good thick stuff. It's a bit hard to apply with that brush, but looks like it's doing a good job. So let it dry off. It's been about an hour now since done it, and it seems to have gone off. It's a pretty red hot daylight, but yeah, brilliant. Just feels like the normal insulation. And there's the other one. Looks good. So yeah, for like £3 for a tin, worth getting. Excellent for cars, motorbikes. I wouldn't really use it for mains electric power, but yeah, brilliant. And that's the cheapest stuff on eBay, so